Today's video, I want to share you guys Soundmadeseen, another deal I found on AppSumo. Okay, this one has a pretty good feedback from the customers who already purchased those type this that one of those codes. Okay, there are four codes available. Okay, so they have like a 5-star rating amongst 51 reviewers. Okay, so that's why I decided, okay, that might be a good reason just to create a short video about it. All right, so okay, so what this software sound made scene does for you guys, okay? So it transforms your audio content into the stunning videos, podcasts, show notes, blog posts, and more, okay? So basically, what you can do, you can multiply audio uploads options, select podcast, upload audio files, record directly, or utilize text-to-speech functionality, customizable design templates. Okay, you can do the high accuracy transcription and one-click content analysis. Okay, I'll be jumping to the video very shortly now. You can do multiple uploads. Let's say they have you doing the podcast, or you want to create one using the AI. You can simply go ahead and do that as well using this particular tool, right? So you can go ahead and go through all those features on the AppSumo, and let's go and quickly share see what the plans are. Okay, so there's plan 1, 2, and 3 plus 4 codes if possible. Okay, they are possible 4 codes at maximum. Okay, so you can do the plan one for $39. Okay, and it's all features have been included. Okay, unlimited designs, 100 minutes of video generation per month, 100 minutes of transcription per month, 10,000 characters text to speech per month, 500 AI images credits per month, 90 days file storage, AI generated text, 10,000 tokens. Okay, and also content analyzer. All right, for 78 you got basically more than double of that, and for code 3 you got 500 of everything. So it's something like 5 times more by paying for plan 3. Okay, so now let's go jump quickly into the software itself. All right, so here's the website. Make your audio scene. Soundmadeseen is the easy way to turn your podcast, audiobook, or talk into the shareable video AI text content in minutes. All right, so here it is, and let's go quickly and see what this how the website looks like. Okay, so basically I think that's important to see how many people already using it. Okay, so let's go quickly and see it. Okay, so you got about 10,000 people on a monthly basis visiting this website. So it's not like, massive amount of traffic. However, it gives you the idea that this software might be on the rise. Okay, as you can see that from July, the traffic significantly increased, like doubled the increase. All right, so I think that's a good sign. People are visiting this website. Okay, so now and also they spending some time using this website as well. Not much over time, but still, it's something which might be that's not for everyone. Like, some people, they don't do the podcast, but for some people who does, this might be something interesting. Okay, so let's go jump into the website itself. After you log in, there is a studio here. You can have and create your own videos. You can go ahead and to the dashboard. You can do the designs, assets, create a design. You can do the audio library with my podcast, uploads, clips, upload file. Okay, so what you can do, you can upload your audio. Okay, you can record your audio. Okay, you can do the text to speech, and we'll use our demo. Okay, so there's a demo also available here for you guys. All right, so here we go. So this is something which I want to share with you guys. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button. If you got any questions, just leave it below. And also, thank you very much for watching.